Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, dual power mirrors, rear wiper, interval wipers. Inside you'll find backup camera, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tilt steering wheel, cloth upholstery, rear defroster, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.